Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cross-progression Apex Legends. Now, if you learn any teeny little tiny thing in this video, please help support my dreams and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's jump in. Now, it's important to note that Apex and Respawn, who is the creator of Apex, tweeted this week on November 28th, 2023, that everyone will be getting cross progression in Apex Legends starting now and until the end of the week. So roughly by the date December 5th, 2023, you should get a pop-up notification when you log into Apex that looks something like this. It says cross progression is here, and it explains the steps to go ahead and get started. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look on what this pop-up explains. It's now going to link all of our EA accounts. So I went ahead and hit A to continue, and you need to make sure you are not turning off your console or PC while this is happening. Make sure you're not losing or disconnecting your internet, and you should get a screen like this. Now, this right here is the screen explaining how cross progression is going to work. On the left side, you can see all of my accounts that are linked under my EA ID and that will be merged into one Apex Legends account. Now, the arrow is pointing over to the new Apex Legends account. You can see my cosmetics up at the top right. If I had multiple cosmetics on different accounts, those will all be merged. And as you can see, the heirloom is the single heirloom that I have on Xbox. The Apex packs are some from my Xbox account, some from my PC account, and some from my Switch account. You can see at the bottom right, the currency. Those are all my legend tokens across all of the different accounts, the crafty medals across all the accounts, and the Apex coins across all the accounts. If you do notice a discrepancy in your Apex coins, go ahead and click on that website or search out that website at the bottom right in red. Now, as far as the actual account merger goes, that was it. It was very quick and it worked very fast. It copied basically everything over and merged everything over to all of my accounts. So now my account is the same on Xbox, on PC, and if I even played on PlayStation, it would be the same as well there. Anyway, it's just that easy to get cross progression, to go ahead and go through the merge process, and now I'm able to play and continue playing on a different location. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me, and have a great day.